G'day, my name's Michael. I'm the product manager at Silverback, and today we're going to talk through our Toolbox meeting that you would have in your workshop in the morning before you start work, once a month, just to remind the people about the different items in the spill kit. It's important that we do this. This morning we're going to talk a little bit about the legal reasons. What is a major and minor spill? What are the 5 steps of spill cleaning? So what is the legal requirements? Well, we all are under the EPA Act of 1993, where it's important that we clean up any spills that happen in our place of work. Every state has a different level of penalties that can be applied to you if you fail to clean up a spill that has happened on your property. Inside your bag here, you'll find all those instructions. They're all down here. Remember, alert, protect, secure, turn off, identify, stop, surround, cover, sweep, check, dispose, report, and restock.